Hello everyone. Today here are some motivational thoughts. I hope you will like these precious thoughts. Moreover, you can get different paragraphs, letters, inspirational stories, beautiful poems created by me and valuable thoughts by famous personalities on this channel. Now, let's get started. Inspiration does exist, but it must find you working. Don't settle for average. Bring your best to the moment. Then, whether it fails or succeeds, at least you know you gave all you had. Don't punt. Aim out of the ballpark. Aim for the company of immortals. Show up, show up, show up, and after a while, the muse shows up too. I have stood on a mountain of numbers for one yes. If you believe something needs to exist, if it is something you want to use yourself, don't let anyone ever stop you from doing it. Someone sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Don't look at your feet to see if you are doing it right. Just dance. Thank you.